What is up, everybody? Arts here. In this video, I want to take you on a journey. I want to show to you that it is not that difficult to pass a prop firm challenge. So specifically for this video, what we're going to do is we are going to take a 200,000 challenge with Smart Prop Trader. We are going to pass phase one. We're going to pass phase two. We'll get to the funded stage. Earn anywhere from 10 to 12%, request a payout, receive the payout. Then I'm going to show you and walk you through step by step on how I do it. It is not that difficult. All you need is really somewhat of a good strategy. Doesn't need to be great, just somewhat of a good strategy with the win rate of over 50%. And most importantly, what you need is good risk management. We're going to be risking 1 to 1.5% per trade, and we're going to shoot anywhere from 2 to 3% return. So without further ado, let's dive in. Let's start with phase one.
New Smart Prop challenge, 200K just purchased. I have a couple of trades that I'm looking at. Currently it's 5:36 p.m. Eastern. It is Monday, it is Labor Day, so the markets, for the most part, gold closed early today and there was very little volume due to the banking holiday. So let's see what Asian session, London session brings today. I do have two setups that I'm looking at. I will walk you through those and we will look at everything together. All right, what's up, everybody? Arts here. So this is the first trade that I'm looking at. This is gold USD on a 4-hour time frame. Again, right now it's 5:43 p.m. Eastern, so the market is closed. But this is a setup that I see happening if currently today we have broken through a 4-hour support level. We're currently retesting it, and my strategy is very simple. I trade on a 4-hour time frame, find a trend, because trend is your friend, wait for support and resistance break and retest. It's simple. And the most important thing is your risk management, right? And that's what you will see in this challenge. Because what we're going to do is we are going to risk 1% of our account for a potential 2.5% return. And this is what I see happening. So if we take a look, this level on Friday, it flew up to what? To 1953. But then it did not close above that level. So again, the gold tried to go up multiple times. It got rejected from this 1946 area. And today we saw a pretty bearish day in gold. Yeah, I get it. It was a holiday. There was very little volume, but we closed below the support level. So that tends me to believe we are going down. We're going down to approximately 1930 area. But again, if we take a look at this trade, we're going to risk 1% for 2.5 risk to reward ratio. So let's get it in. As soon as the market opens, we'll give it a few minutes, let the market settle in, and we are going to take this trade. I'm going to keep you guys posted. Market currently open. Looks like we are pushing slightly up to retest the 4-hour, which now a resistance. And looking at the risk calculator, risking 1%, $2,000. Looks like our position size it should be 7.11. So let's hop right in and take the trade. Trading gold. 711 with a stop loss of 1941.44 and a take profit of 1932.41. 32.41 and sell. All right, $142 in drawdown to begin, but should be a good day. I mean, the volume is really hardly any volume right now. It's because the market just opened up. It's after the holiday. But, hey, I feel good about this trade. I think we have something here. All right. We will take a look at it later. What's happening, everybody? Art's here. So, I do have another trade that I want to share with you that I'm looking at currently. So, GBP USD. We are currently retesting an area that I'm interested in shorting from here. So, as you see on top over here, we had a massive sell-off on Friday. Now we had a slight retracement, and I'm expecting it to keep on going down. So with this one, same type of situation, right? We're gonna risk 1% for potential 2.5 to 3% risk to reward, right? So it looks like we're gonna risk about 20 pips to make 62 pips. And we're coming pretty close to a level where I'm gonna take the trade. I will keep you posted on where we are, but this is another good trade that I feel good about. Let's see what happens. All right, guys. So it is currently 6:30 p.m. Eastern. We are at a level where I am taking this GBP USD short. Going back to my position calculator, looks like we are using 9.15 lots. All right, so let's go here, GBP USD. Whoop. All right, and we're gonna take a trade, 9.15 lots with a stop loss of 1,26523 and a take profit 125,700. 125,700, and it is a sell. All right, perfect. So just a slight update. We have two trades running currently. We have our GBP USD and our gold. Gold is currently $42 profit. Woohoo! I can retire now. But, like I said, it is still early. There's very little volume. We'll see what London brings tonight and New York tomorrow. But, hey, at least it's in profit. So I'll keep you guys posted from where we are. And I like these two setups. I think we have some brewing here.
What's up, family? It's Art here. So, what a night. So currently it's 7:17 a.m. Eastern. I've been up for a couple hours, but just had the time to start recording. So, overnight, if you remember our trades, we took a position on GBP USD, which was a short. And look at this massive drop. Take profit, hit, destroyed, you name it, we did it. So going back to our MT5. So we see our GBP USD take profit hit for $5,000. So slightly 1 to 2.5 risk to reward. Not too bad for a first trade. Now going back
to our gold trade. Again, same type of situation. We entered on a 4-hour. We entered at 6:05, 6:10 p.m. yesterday, right? Which there was very little volume, but overnight happened exactly what I was telling you. We are going down. We are going to 1930s area, to that next support level. And what happened overnight? Bam! Destroyed. TP hit. So we slightly 2-to-1 risk to reward. So currently we're at 9,700 profit. Again, this is phase 1, right, for Smart Prop. So it is a 7%, I believe. Yeah, 7% for phase 1. So we only need 14 grand on this one. We're pretty close. So I took another trade, guys. And here's where we're at. I took another gold trade. I have a feeling that today it's just going to keep melting. Entered it a little bit too early, to be honest with you. I did not... The 4-hour support was not broken at the time. I went a little bit ahead. I entered it, so now I'm slightly in drawdown. But again, we're risking 1% for somewhere around 4.5%, which we probably won't need this much to hit our TP. But here we are. Currently, we're $275 down. Again, right? We're getting close to New York session. So let's see what happens. If we take an L, we take an L. It'll be on me because I went on too fast and took this trade. Didn't realize that support wasn't broken yet. But hey, let's give it some time. Let's see what happens. Very excited. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Hopefully it's something good. But yeah. Amazing. First 2 trades on this challenge. 9,000 up. I love it. Let's get it done. Let's hit the 14K. Let's get the phase 2. Let's do that one. Let's get the funded account. Let's make a profit on it. Stick with me, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, what's up, everybody? Art's here. Let's do a little update for you guys. Here is where we are right now. Gold is doing its thing. It's 8:30 a.m. in the morning and Tuesday. It is fantastic. We are coming along. We are already 1% profit. We're almost there. TP is coming. We're getting close to TP. I feel like we're going to pass this phase 1 today. Excited, very excited. I hope you guys are learning even the smallest things, but at the same time, the most important things, the risk management. Guys, we risked 1% per trade, and our risk to reward is fantastic. I mean, even if this trade just reverses right now, goes back, bam, we're out 1%, but hey, we're doing great. So I'll keep you guys posted. And I think we're going to start our phase 2 today. What's up, guys? Art's here. Well, market just gave us a big spanking. After being 1% in profit on gold, the market just spiked up and hit our stop loss. Even went a little bit further. So we are down 3,000%. That is crazy. But I'm still bearish. I'm still bearish on this one. I'm looking at the charts right now, looking for a potential setup for the down, for the short on gold, because that was just crazy. What gold did to me, disrespected. But just a small hiccup. We're still 3% up for the day, for the challenge. Let's keep going. All right, family. Just to give you a little update, after that crazy gold disrespectful move hitting my stop loss, we just finished a 4-hour candle and it's bearish as it gets. So that was just one of those things. Shit happens. Markets took us out. They showed us, hey, we don't control you. You don't control us, we control you. But it is what it is. After a few minutes after we were taken out, I sat there, I looked at the charts, I saw how the price reacted. I wanted to see if it was going to respect that support and just bounce off of it, or if the 4-hour candle would close below the support. So, long story short, we did close below the 4-hour support, making it a resistance. I did enter on another position, another trade, right where that blue line, the 1930.53 price is. I entered there, again, 1% risk for a 2.75% reward, I believe. That's where we are right now. Let's go and take a look. We're up quite a bit, almost $5,000 here. Looks like we need 3,000 more to pass this challenge. My bias stays the same. I am short on gold, at least for today. We'll see what happens tomorrow. But hey, we had a little hiccup. We lost 1.5%. But again, always, risk management is crucial. If you don't set risk management rules for yourself, you will blow account time after time. 1 to 2. For me, it's 1 to 2 to 2.5 risk to reward is where I'm looking to be. Depends on the trade, right? If sometimes I would let a runner go, I would move my stop loss to break even after 2x risk to reward and just let that shit go. But it is what it is. I mean, we're at 3% gain right now as I'm recording this video. Hopefully, we got another 1% to go, and and we're on to phase 2. But again, I don't want to get ahead of myself. Last time I said that, markets gave me a big FU and took me out of my position. It is what it is. We're almost there, guys. Hang tight. All right, guys. So here we are. It is 1:22 p.m. Eastern. We are still in profit on our gold, and I am taking a trade on GBP USD. So after that massive drop, we came back, we retested our previous lows right over here, our resistance level. It looks like we rejected it, tried it again, ended up in a doji, and now we are most likely going to push down. So I am taking a trade, risking 1% again. It's going to be 1 to 2.54 trade, but we'll probably close it out manually just because we don't need that much. We only need a couple thousand. So I actually already just took this trade. We are currently $37 in negative, but let's see what happens. I am very excited for this trade, and I think we will finish this phase 1 challenge today. Just a quick update, guys. I put a stop loss to break even, pretty much, like I think $40 in profit on gold, just in case. It is 1 o'clock, so the volume's gonna start dying down. I don't want it to spike up and take me out at a loss. So the worst case scenario will be a break even on gold. But yeah, let's give it a few minutes. Looks like we're already in profit on GBP USD. So yeah, let's get it. Let's finish this phase one strong. What's up, everybody? Arts here. Just want to give you a little update on where we stand as far as trades. So we were not able to pass phase one in one day. We are very close to passing it though. So let's take a look. So as you know, we had two open trades. We had the gold and GBP USD. GBP USD I closed before 5 p.m. Eastern. I don't like keeping the trades open when we go into the new trading day. Just because the spread is so big. So closed it at $447 profit. As far as gold, as you know, we moved our stop loss to entry, and we are very close to hitting our phase one profit target. We need 14,000. We're at 13,193 right now, so very close. I thought about closing it before 5, but got held up with a couple things and left it running. We do have our stop loss at entry, a couple bucks in profit, but hopefully 6 o'clock opens up. We're not going to see any crazy moves, and I mean, all we need is another $900 to pass this one. So let's see what happens. All right, guys, Arts here. Just a quick update. It's currently 8:10 p.m. Eastern. We are still in a gold trade. I don't really like how it is acting right now. Not a lot of volume there, but still sticking to it. I am taking another short position on GBP USD. Again, I closed it out previously just because I don't like holding it over when the trading day changes because of the spread. But again, we're respecting that 4-hour resistance, and I'm taking a 1% risk on this trade. I actually already took it. Here we are. We're currently $73 down. We don't need much. We only need to get to 14,000 to pass phase one. So we're close. Let's see how it goes. I'll give you guys an update in a little bit. But yeah, talk to you guys. Hello, everybody. Arts here. Well, boys and girls, we have done it. We have passed our phase one challenge. As you can see on the left top corner of my screen, it's currently 9:22. We have closed out both gold and GBP USD trades, both in profit, hitting us at 14,000. Yeah, we did not pass it in 24 hours how I wanted it to, but hey, we passed it in just under 27 hours. Exciting, very exciting. I already received credentials for phase two, so let's keep an eye on the market. I'll keep you guys posted. If you want to see phase two video, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification so you know when the next video drops.
All right, everybody, and there you have it. We have passed phase one with just over 24 hours. So again, let's recap most important things in this video, right? As I mentioned right at the beginning, what you need most importantly is a solid risk management. As you can see in each trade, we risked 1 to 1.5%, and our gains were anywhere from 2 to 2.5%, right? And again, you don't need to risk your whole account in one trade and hope to hit it or blow the account. Risking 1%, 1.5% gets you there. Yeah, it doesn't happen right away, a little bit longer, but hey, less chances of blowing the account. So if you guys like this video, if you want to see the part 2 with the phase 2, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell. In the comments, what I want from you guys is let me know which prop firm should I try next. You might have seen my interviews. I've done quite a few of them already. I'm trading with quite a few of the prop firms right now. But if there is a specific one that you'd like for me to try, leave it in the comments and let's get to stage 2.